What's up guys, it's Phil, and today I'm going to show you how I build one of my dining tables. New day, clean shirt, time to get started on this tabletop. So I've got the other pieces in the finishing room finishing up. They're drying process from last night, so I'll get started on those in a little bit. But for now, I need to use the pieces that I've got set aside over here and get the tabletop actually fully glued up and laminated across the center, and then we'll add the breadboard ends later. So I've got these 5 boards behind me. They all range in width from like 6 inches to like 8.5 inches. So when I'm done, I will have a total of 36 inches across the top. For the laminate, for the glue up, all I'm going to be doing is the centerpiece now. And then I've got 2 breadboards on the other side of my table here that are going to be the ends, but I'm going to add those later after the glue up is done and cured and everything is right for the center of the table. Then I'm going to add the breadboard ends. After that, I will do my final sanding and everything is good to go, but that's usually a pretty long process from start to finish, so that's why I separated this into a different video. So there's a couple of ways to straighten these boards out. One way that seems like it should be easy but can actually be really tricky is to very simply put all of the boards through my jointer and give myself one nice clean edge and then take them to my table saw and straighten out the other edge, and then you've got perfectly straight boards. That is one good way to do it, but if this has a whole lot of bow to it, it's really hard to get right on the jointer. I haven't put these boards next to each other, but I do know they've got a little bit of twist in some of them, or a little bit of bow, so I need to go ahead and get them perfectly straightened out in the easiest way possible. And for me, that's going to be the Festool track saw. Another option that you might have, as you can see sitting up here, I'm not actually going to be using it in this video, but I do use it for a lot of barn wood, and it is a sled that is made where it clamps down the board onto a piece of melamine. You let the edges hang over, and then you set your table saw exactly to the size of the piece of melamine, and when you pass it through, it cuts a perfectly straight edge on one side. Unclamp it, and once you've cut all your boards straight on one side, put the sled away, flip them over, and use your table saw to cut the other edge nice and straight. That's a really easy DIY project, and I would recommend building one of those if you don't have any of these other things, but I spent a lot of money on this thing, so I'm going to use it and go ahead and get these things straightened out on one end, and then we will bring them over to the table saw to finish them up. So now I've got everything labeled and marked so it is ready to go. I need to cut my mortises for my mortise and tenons that are going to go into the tabletop. I always use my Festool Domino XL. It is awesome. It cuts a 12mm like oblong mortise, and then it has beechwood tenons, or I have beechwood tenons, that you insert into the holes. What's so cool about this thing is that instead of cutting traditional mortises that are square and then having to have a tenon on the other board, to fit together. It actually cuts a mortise in both sides. They're oblong, and the beechwood tenons that are separate are the same shape and the same width of the hole, but they have little glue line grooves in them. So you can glue them up, stick them in there, and laminate the boards together that way. It helps keep everything nice and level, it helps keep it nice and straight, and also it makes for a much, much tighter glue joint, which is awesome, because across a tabletop like this, you could just do a traditional glue up, and this thing is so stress-free right now, I could probably do that. But they also help flattening everything out, which I really like, and that added strength is a huge, huge, huge bonus when you're working with wood that has a lot of room to expand and contract seasonally.